Just like, ooh, ah, yes. Hey, what up? It's Shandy. Thank you for joining me today. I'm so excited you're here today. You are in for a treat because I'm gonna be showing you how to start this gorgeous, beautiful, crocheted Cirrus tank top pattern. This pattern couldn't be more adorable. I love it so much.
So cute. It's like too cute almost.
It is so easy. Seriously, even if you're a beginner, I know you can do it. I'm gonna show you how. It's gonna be so much fun. Essentially, this gorgeous little wonder is two rectangles seamed together ingeniously to make this fashionable, wearable, cute little top. And check out the slits for the shoulders. I love it so much. It looks so cute on. If you do want to though, you can seam those up. It's up to you. This pattern comes in multiple sizes and it's super easy to adjust if you feel comfortable doing that. The yarn we used is this gorgeous, glimmer, sparkling fingering weight yarn.
What a looker, right?
She is stunning.
We had this yarn custom spun for us using very fine, ultra soft, superwash merino wool, and check out those gorgeous gold sparkles. Oh, love them so much. They're very fine, very delicate, not too bling, bling in your face, just like, ooh, ah. We made this pattern in this beautiful pale blue, and with the gold sparkles in it, it is like a perfect summer day. The sun is glinting through the clouds, flickering through the trees. You're out in a meadow, everything is calm and perfect amongst the wildflowers. Just that feeling you would get in that moment, that's how we want you to feel when you're making and wearing this beautiful top. All right, let's go ahead and get started making this pattern. You're gonna need a US size G crochet hook. You're gonna check the pattern to see how many you need to chain to start for your size. For demo purposes, I'm just gonna start with a smaller number today. Row number 1. What you're gonna do is skip the first 3 chains and work a double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. Those first 3 chains that you skipped count as your first double crochet. Then you're gonna work a double crochet into each chain across. So essentially you have a row of double crochets. Okay, you're gonna skip the first, the second, and the 3rd chain, and you're gonna work a double crochet into that 4th chain. So let's do that. Now those 3 chains that you just skipped, those count as your first double crochet. All right, then you continue on working a double crochet into each chain across. So when you're finished with this row, you have a row of double crochets. Very easy. And remember to do a double crochet, you do a yarn over, you insert your hook into the next stitch, you yarn over again, pull that back through your stitch. I like to piston it up onto the barrel of the hook there so that my tension is correct. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. So that's your double crochet. And when working into the next ones, you can see how this one is originating out of this chain. Don't work into that again, or you're gonna end up with too many stitches. You're gonna work into the next chain. So see, we just worked in this one, skip that. So you're gonna work into this next unworked chain right here. Just continue across however many chains that you have left for your size. You'll get really good at your double crochets on this pattern. Okay, I'm going to finish this up. One more. Make sure you work into that final one. And there you go. We have our first row of double crochets. All right, you're going to turn, and then to work row 2, you're going to start with a chain 3, which counts as your first double crochet, then work 1 double crochet in each stitch across. All right, you're going to turn. Then you start with a chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this counts as your first double crochet. So now we're going to work 1 double crochet in each stitch across. What you want to do, and this is important to maintain your stitch count, you're not going to work into this first one because this counts as the double crochet on top of that one. So work into this next one here. All right. Then you're simply going to continue across, very simple, working 1 double crochet into each stitch from the row below. So we're working a second row, basically, of double crochets. Very easy. For row 3, you're just going to repeat row 2. Very easy. Okay, row number 4 is how we create those little gaps in the pattern. You're going to start by chaining 4. That counts as a double crochet and a chain 1. Then skip your first double crochet, chain 1, and work a double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, skip a stitch, work a double crochet in the next stitch. I will show you how to do that. Start by chaining 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then, since this counts as a double crochet plus a chain 1, you're going to actually skip, so you definitely don't work in this first one, you're actually skipping this double crochet here and working into the next one. So skip this one because this is the double crochet coming out of here. Skip this one because we chained 1 up here to skip over it and work a double crochet into the next stitch. So let's do that. And then all across the row, you're going to chain 1, skip the next stitch, and work into the next stitch. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, work a double crochet into the next stitch. And I'll go ahead and work to the end so that you can see, skip what you should end up with when you get to the end. All right, make sure you've worked your chain 1 there. Skip this double crochet here, and you're going to work your final one into the top of this chain 3 over here. So you should have that double crochet there at the edge. For rows 5, 6, and 7, you're going to repeat row 2. So here's what we have so far. This is rows 1 through 7. We have 3 rows of double crochets. Then we have this little spacey gappy row, and then 3 more rows of double crochets. Then to continue on, you're simply going to repeat rows 4 through 7 for however many times the pattern calls for your size. Then you're going to end up with a rectangle. What you're going to do is repeat that, do the exact same thing so that you end up with 2 rectangles. Then you do a little bit of seaming and you're done. Okay, you are going to seam up the sides, leaving a hole for your arms, obviously. Then you're going to seam up the top, and you're going to leave slits for your shoulders and leave a hole for your head. And that is how you make this beautiful Cirrus crochet tank top. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on how to make this tank top. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and head to expressionfiberarts.com and sign up for email updates. You're going to get exclusive knit and crochet patterns first dibs on many of our new exciting goodies, entries into our big monthly yarn giveaways, coupon codes, and a whole lot more. So you don't want to miss out on that. This week's shout out goes to Marilyn Lynch Crochet on Instagram. She makes beautiful, lovely things. Hop on over and show her some love and tell her we sent you. And be sure to use hashtag expression fiber arts if you use our yarn or patterns for a chance to be shouted out in our next video. All right, thanks again. Go out and soak up this gorgeous day, soak in the sunshine, love on the clouds, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Little sparkles all in there. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Fingering weight yarn. Ooh. Ooh, and ah. Ooh, ah, yes. Check me out. I'm sparkling, but I'm subtle. I'm so fabulous that I don't have to show off too hard. I'm just a gorgeous gold sparkle yarn over here. Love me or leave me. I'm golden either way. You're still doing that. Ah!